Hi, I'm Kim.
And I'm Tim.
And we're DB2 Overland. We're going to take you on a little trip that we found on the internet to the old Delina country store
And diner.
It's a nice little kind of crossroads in the middle of nowhere in Tennessee, and we look forward to showing you our trip to get there, and we'll show you what we get on the menu.
It's pretty good.
It's more than pretty good. They got fried pies. All right, we'll catch you on the road.
The navigator is now punching in where we're gonna go so we don't get lost, but even if we get lost, that's all part of the adventure. So go out and get lost.
Looks like we made it.
All right. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it.
Thanks. See you on the road.
Bye.